Yo, my fucking dog. This is a fucking Adderall capsule. My fucking dog is on Adderall, y'all. She fucking knocked some shit over here, fucked some shit up, and the fucking bottle fell on the floor out of nowhere. I don't know. I didn't know I had Adderalls in this bitch. And she fucking chewed the fucking bottle up and got in the bottle, ate the Adderall, and she been like this fucking since this morning. Non-stop. And I really feel bad for her because, like, I don't know what to do. It's a Saturday. Ain't no vets open. Man, fuck.
Man, that dog look like a crackhead for real. He was tripping, man.